Hello, Mr. Geiselhart here, and we're going to take a look at a problem with common term factoring. So the first thing we want to do is find the largest number that goes into both of our terms. So we have a negative 32x and a negative 28. The largest number that goes into both 32 and 28 is 4. So what that means is I have to start with a 4 outside the parentheses. Since both of these are negative, I could also take out a negative 4 in front of the parentheses. Either way you do it, you'll still end up with the correct answer in the end. So if we know we're taking out a negative 4, then I just divide each of these by a negative 4. 32x divided by negative 4 gives me a positive 8x, and negative 28 divided by negative 4 gives me a positive 7. So my answer is going to be negative 4 times 8x plus 7. Now, I said before that we could also pull out a positive 4. If you pulled out a positive 4, then when I divided each one of these, I would divide by a positive 4. That would give me negative 8x minus 7. Either of those answers is going to be acceptable, and it will give you the correct answer if you type either one of those in.